Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A little boy. Full story. It happened in the parish of Clarendon in the community of Duppy in the 1950s. A woman sent her children to a shop that a Chinese man owned. At that time, there was only one street light, so the woman lit a lamp and gave it to the two to venture to the shop. As they were walking, they saw a shadow of a child up ahead, but only the back of the shadow was showing. When they got closer to the child, one of the little girls who was bringing the lamp held it up a little higher, and they saw that it was a frame of a little boy as it was from back view. The little girl said, "Little boy, what you doing out here by yourself?" He turned around swiftly and shouted, "Mama," and blow out the lamp. The little girl dropped the now outed lamp, and she and her sister ran, never stopping until they reached the Chinese man's shop. They told him about the incident, and he told them it was a guppy and that they weren't the first to encounter with that restless soul. He wrapped a sturdy stick with thick clothing, lit it and gave it to them so they could see clearly to return home. The two walked home as fast as they could, scared still from the incident.
Like and follow for more.